It's my Feel Good Breakfast Show.
Welcome back, everybody. This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show on S3. Happy Thursday to all of you after another busy week. It's almost time to enjoy a fun-filled weekend under the African sun. We love to do that. But before we get to sit back and relax, fashion and beauty editor Miss Knox Mafu, she's here with some summer statement pieces in natural fabrics and different styles to fit everyone's taste. And she is glowing.
Thank you. I feel like summer said, let's go.
Summer
I'm ready
is
for
here.
holiday.
Do you feel it? I don't know, there's something in the air. I just feel like December, it is here.
I know.
It's going to be a hot girl summer.
It's like, you know, I heard on socials, actually, I think Cooks had said it, that October is the Wednesday of, you know, the year. So we're very close to December, and I'm running for my wardrobe to look great with that.
Exactly, because now it's like we need to find out how we're going to be trending, how we're going to stay on
100%.
trend. How do we stay on trend? What are the colors? What are the fabrics? What are the looks for summer?
Well, I think, you know, we are so excited. I think we're all bursting to be out and enjoy the summer sun. And I think, of course, color is going to be a big part of that. So when it comes to color, we're thinking coral, a color that I'm wearing now.
Stuns.
Your greens, your hues of blue. And all of these are really refreshing light colors. So it's your neutral tones. And then, of course, on top of that, we're going to see a lot of prints. I'm talking tropical prints, really vibrant colors and statements, but also all on lightweight materials because it needs that breathability. We've also been very used to wearing, you know, our hoodies and stuff. So it's a small transition into really great summer. So what I love about it is that it really is a good mix of prints, bold colors, and also just lightweight materials in linens and your whites, making you ready for any resort and summer holiday.
Looking at this, I'm like summer ready.
Yes.
Festive ready.
Yes.
It's screaming vacation mode already. But you spoke about the breathability of the materials. What are the
Absolutely.
materials? Because I'm a linen girl.
Well then, I've got
Then,
you
you got something
sorted.
for us.
I've got
All
you
of us.
something sorted for you. So this is one of my favorite, actually, because of its lightweight. So this is a linen set, which is really, really comfortable. Exactly.
Stop it.
I'm obsessed with it. And you could wear these with espadrilles, you could wear it with heels, you could wear it with sneakers. It's a really casual, you know,
Rich on vibe.
Thank you. She doesn't even have to stress. But here we've also got incredible, like I said, prints are a big part. So you'll see a lot of matching sets being offered by Woolworths. The crop top obviously being a big part of our fashion staples, especially for women. But I mean, men are also having a really good time. They've got some great cotton shirts over here, which come in a range of beautiful colors. And what I love about these, they're quite bold and very classic. So even when you style them, you could pair them with chinos or shorts. You really will have the best time. And of course, our kiddies can't be left out of the
no, they
conversation. And they have these incredible print dresses with lovely graphics on them. And of course, tie-dye being the hero that it always is with kids. So fun and breathable, which is important for them too.
I don't know if I ever told you this. So my dream man is a man wearing linen on a Sunday with
baby.
isimiyaki
yes.
and those Jesus sandals. And I feel like my complimentary look is going to be that linen thing. So we're just putting it out there. Okay,
So in
We are manifesting it.
manifestation, so through fashion, we are manifesting that man. Okay,
Yes.
but these are the looks that will actually get you that. There's something so relaxed and easy about it. When you dress, you don't feel like you're doing too much. So you're casual, you're comfortable, and of course, it boosts the mood. It really is about having fun with summer. So spring, summer really is about that.
Playing around with it, playing around with
Exactly.
the quality of everything. You do have models.
I
so we
have
flow them in from the
So
yachts.
many, yes.
For today.
Exactly. I put them in the best linen items. So we've got our first tropical print coming in here in this matching
Oh,
set.
look at her.
I mean,
Who is she, though?
She looks incredible. And I
Love this.
love this because the matching set is a big focus. And of course, in a beautiful tropical prints, I told you that the corals are coming in. So really touching on the trending colors. I love the fit. Really complimentary also to your collarbones if you want to show off a little bit of that. But really easy to style, whether she did it with flats or heels. I think she looks absolutely elegant.
And it's got pockets. I love anything with
Yeah, how are
pockets.
you feeling this, Zoe?
I love it. I wore this outfit on Monday, and I'm definitely thinking you've now convinced me to add it to my cupboard. So I'm
Yes.
definitely going to go
Stunts.
get this one for myself.
And I think it's so complimentary to everybody. And so I think even if you were to choose to wear it alone or one piece at a time, that is something about sustainability. You know, shopping
Mix and
sustainably.
match.
Exactly.
For sure. You have a male. Come on.
I have first the kiddies.
Oh, the
all right?
kiddies are coming in.
So the kiddies are enjoying some beautiful bright colors. I really love this dress. Amahle looks like a star. We've paired that with some gold sandals, just for that breathability again, that pure cotton being so important for young kids. But really, such a gorgeous dress. She can play in the sun, she can have fun, but also that fun feminine energy over there. We've got the
colour.
drawstring, yeah, the drawstring on the waist there, and polka dots just being fun and really playful.
So cute. I love it. It's very playful.
Yes.
I see her on the beach having fun with her friends.
Exactly. So fun. And really also in those trending colors again that we spoke about. So all your kids are really going to be styling, but also comfortable, which is super important.
For sure. Now we do have the male model that came in.
There we
and
go.
And this one, Shane,
Now
this one
this
is
one.
working today, hey?
He is working and giving us music.
Vibes.
He's
Look
giving
at
us
this.
looks. And
You can dance. You can dance.
you can,
One,
you can
two.
even sing for us if you want. But what I love about this is really a relaxed look. You know, you can take your chinos, and there's a range of different fits. We all know this. And we've just paired that with a lovely golfer in a beautiful orange color, which I think is a bit of a departure for his own taste. But that's the joy about summer. It's about trying those bold colors that you wouldn't do. And really well fitted. You know, I think it covers his structure really well. And then, of course, we've paired that with some nice sneakers, really easy wear, but a very casual resort wear look done over here.
You can add this to your CV now. You can add as a model to your CV because you've done the work, John. Thank you so much, Knox, as always.
Yes, sir.
You come through, make sure that we are ready for summer.
I'll never
I
leave
was
you.
excited for summer, but now I'm just more excited.
Exactly. And now you're going to go shopping immediately. After the show, I want everyone to go shopping right now.
You heard her.
Get your resort items.
You heard Miss Knox for herself. You can refresh your summer wardrobe and get your whole family ready for the hottest months with Woolworths. Now shop these vibrant styles at Woolworths, available in-store, online, or on the Woolies app.
A promise to the planet, to tread lightly, to act with care, to think of the future, to appreciate nature, to shop more sustainably. Woolworths, the difference.